Come test drive the 2015 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.